Entertainment is so large in the LA community, but also in the real estate industry as well. So just being able to influence what we're doing, not only with the platform and presenting new shows, to really influence like the culture makers, and also in our built spaces, which is what we've done with the Egyptian Theater.
It stands out as an example that can resonate not just here in the city, but really capture the imagination. You know, this is a historic building. We're bringing it modern and into the future.
We have an opportunity to actually understand how we're running our buildings. We have technology in place that will allow us to have programmatic strategies that we can use as efficiently as possible. So that's because we have a BMS. We actually retrofitted an older, antiquated HVAC system that we had before with a variable refrigerant system, right? So we're taking this latest technology and we're actually putting it into a building that was constructed almost 100 years ago, right? There's some excitement behind that.
It's giving ourselves the ability to monitor and track and really be as efficient as we can in the actual operation of the building in and of itself. While there is obstacles and challenges, it's really, being a problem solver and working through this with the overall team, it really gives us the opportunity to really breathe life into something that means a lot for the community.
When we actually took this building over and did a walk, we saw local thermostats in spaces. Well, now we can actually, have strategies in place right now where if it's a morning where it's 60 degrees or lower than 60 degrees, 40 degrees, we can actually use outside air to cool the building.
One of the things that, I love about what we're doing here is really that, we're trying to bring it back to its historic state from the 1920s. So it's finding that balance and kind of being able to toe the line of really respecting the building for what it is and incorporating these newer technologies.
At Netflix, we take, conservation and sustainability very seriously. You will hear a lot from our sustainability team, just in terms of our company putting ourselves out there and making that commitment.
We want it to be just how we live and breathe and operate, and just for it to be second nature.
They attacked each of the difficulties and came up with the right system. It's just like the orchestra. You can have disparate parts that come together in kind of a raggedy way, or bring that all together like an orchestra conductor to make it all look seamless and sound perfect.
You're only seeing a few people that had their hands in it, but this project is actually going to showcase what we as a company came together to produce.